Alright, hey, this is Saistad. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the Rockerz 330 Pro. So off the camera I did, so before you're like, why Sai you have done this, you might be thinking. So I said, like, so I'm going to say the reason why I did this little bit off the camera so that it can be easier for the unboxing video as well. So obviously actually there is a little bit of scratch. Obviously I tried to open this on this side as well, but I did make a piercing anyway on this side. So you might be thinking, why Sai you're using this? So to unbox this using the scissors so that it'll be much easier. So obviously this is the Rockerz 330 Pro. It's priced around 1,800 rupees. This version, a couple of other versions have the same pricing, but the black variant and the navy blue variant, as far as I can tell, are around 1,600 rupees, and the original 330 variant, the 330 variant is 1,599. I was able to see this because one, it's rounded off to 1,600, 1,599. So the first you can see is because it does not have the Pro branding. The another reason why I would say this is because it has 30 hours of playback. This one has 60 hours of playback, which is twice the improvement. And since 10 minutes is equal to 20 hours, so if you do 10 minutes of charging, it will almost get you a day, obviously, for listening to songs and for general tasks. I didn't make videos for a while, might take a while, and I'm planning them obviously for schedule. So I have this one right here, so I'm going to get my scissor. Obviously, sorry guys. And also I'm going to be using this one also. Oh, sorry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be popping this in, and let me show you. So now I'm going to be using this scissor, and obviously I'm doing. Oh, I almost got it. Almost got it. Oh, just got it. Which I did make a little bit of dent right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be piercing this off. Probably I'm going to do something else. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I was able to little bit pierce off this one right here. So let me just pierce it once again. Yes, I was able to get this off, guys. Obviously with this unboxing, it's a bit hard to film while using his phone. That's why you might be seeing this. So I might be like that. Okay, we got the package as well, so it's a little bit damage has been done, which I got using scissors. So like this, obviously, so I used a bit, so obviously you might be expecting that. So obviously get that logo, and to be frank, it looks to me good. Obviously you have the pranking, I mean the packaging, not just sorry guys for saying that word. Obviously it's not pranking, it's packaging, so by mistake I said that. Obviously you have to open like this, as far as I can tell, and the reason why I bought this was because it was a good one. I have owned a couple of boat devices before and the sound was good. Obviously I have D10mm drivers. I think these are all the devices obviously for, you know, like they'll help in giving you the audio, correct audio, good audio as well. So like I have magnetic earbuds, IPX5 war resistant, so probably sure it's war resistant, and it might be premium, so it's really good, and instant voice assistant. So Siri and Alexa and Google Assistant will work with this one as well. So I've told you the price before, obviously, so to open like this. Yeah, I'm not sure what the warranty is because I'm pretty sure it's 1 or 2 years, I guess. Not sure on the warranty because obviously I just wanna. Okay, it's a bit hard to film this. I told you before, while filming using phone, so this might happen. I might be okay. I got it. Here we go. It's a bit hard to film this using a phone. Obviously I'm using an Oppo F15. I could have used the tripod stand. I do have one, but I was like, okay, I just want to make the video a little bit fast, so that's why. We got that. Obviously got the magnetic ones. Obviously have to, okay, I've got the magnetic ones. Oh, really good. Let me see. Just see. We just have to remove them like this, and I don't think. Okay, you get a lot of pamphlets. I'm gonna go to pamphlets later, and the design obviously is premium, I would say, in some quality, but it's obviously okay for me. It is all right. It's a good premium design, I would say. Just a second, I'm just gonna make using that, and yes, you got it. Okay, all right, and you have here the this one. Okay, so you get that sorry, just okay. All right, so obviously you get the obviously it's just a little bit of some water spilt on here, not water, but it's a little bit of sweat coming. I'm not like that. So obviously have the earbuds and a couple of pamphlet. I think I have to get it. Obviously I didn't put any fan. I did not, obviously. And you have here the and sorry for saying these, guys, so probably. And you have the okay, I want to use the, I'm going to film this, obviously. I'm going to use the other hand, right hand. And obviously you'll be getting a lot of package in the contents, and can't use it properly. Okay, so what I'm going to do is sorry, it's cold. Obviously I got a little bit cold. Obviously you might be thinking why I'm a bit sore. Okay, just wanna just what I'll do is I'll pause it probably. So obviously you have that one, and okay, this is the boat logo, and it's, just wanna cut it out probably. I want to cut the wire, which is a bit very worried, because if I cut the wire, it's going to be a big problem, obviously. So oh, a little bit of denting problem. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it once again using this little scissor. Oh, I was getting it. Alright. Okay, sorry. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pause, obviously. So okay, so yeah, we got it, but almost we got it, because I wanna just do this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the one. So obviously this is the part of using the one. Obviously I'm using this because I did switch to a tripod stand before. So what I'm gonna do is I did have a tripod stand, so I'm now filming using that. So obviously have the this one. I didn't cut a little bit, and you get a lot of the USB-C, and it's USB-C, so you can charge it in a couple of laptops, and probably a couple of laptops means you can get a lot of laptops. You got the muffs, I guess. Right? Yeah, I have to use a this scissors, and you get a couple of ear muffs. So probably a really good thing. Obviously one fell down. Obviously I'll collect that piece later off the camera, and you get obviously a lot of things. You get a pamphlet showing the boat once, a couple of things on boats, and this is a warranty card, obviously. So the warranty card, obviously it's 1 year. Okay, so that's great. Obviously if it gets damaged, you can just replace it using boat, and you get a lot of manuals and what and all you get. So that's really good. and get this boat ahead sticker. So you can probably stick it, obviously. So the most interesting of these is the USB-C cable, obviously. So the USB-C cable is used in a lot of smartphones as well. So what I'm trying to say here is you can use this in your laptop, so probably even the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air as well. So hope you're doing fine. This is Sizer for now, and thanks for watching.